Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the influential book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Meet the Rich Dad and Poor Dad. The central theme of Rich Dad Poor Dad revolves around the contrasting financial philosophies of two father figures in Kiyosaki's life. His biological father, referred to as Poor Dad, represents the traditional mindset of working for a paycheck, saving, and avoiding risks. In contrast, his friend's father, known as Rich Dad, embodies a radically different perspective, focusing on financial independence and wealth creation. Lesson 1. The difference between assets and liabilities. A fundamental concept from the book is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Poor Dad emphasized job security, home ownership, and the acquisition of things that take money out of your pocket, which Kiyosaki labels as liabilities. Rich Dad stressed the importance of accumulating income-generating assets, such as investments, real estate, and businesses. Lesson 2. The importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that financial education is the foundation of financial success. It's not taught in traditional schools, and many people lack the knowledge required to manage their finances effectively. To break free from financial struggles, one must invest in financial literacy and learn about money, investing, and entrepreneurship. Lesson 3. Embracing entrepreneurship. Rich Dad encourages entrepreneurship as a path to financial independence. By creating and owning businesses, you have the potential to generate passive income and take control of your financial destiny. It's about the willingness to take calculated risks and think creatively. Lesson 4. The power of mindset. The book emphasizes the importance of mindset. A mindset of scarcity and fear can hinder financial growth. Rich Dad advocates for developing a mindset of abundance and opportunity. Learning from failures, embracing challenges, and believing in your own capabilities are central themes. Lesson 5. The role of debt. Kiyosaki challenges common beliefs about debt. He argues that it's not the amount of debt that matters, but how you use it. Using debt strategically, such as leveraging it to acquire income-generating assets, can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Lesson 6. The path to financial freedom. Ultimately, Rich Dad Poor Dad outlines a path to financial freedom. This path involves acquiring income-generating assets that provide cash flow, enabling you to cover your expenses and live life on your own terms. It's about achieving financial independence, where your assets work for you. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of Rich Dad Poor Dad, it's important to remember that this book is not just about money. It's about changing your financial mindset and taking control of your financial destiny. It's a call to embrace financial education, entrepreneurship, and asset building as a means to achieve the life you desire. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the financial wisdom of Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights on wealth building and financial success.